Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Bev and Ryan, and we share honest hotel and resort tours to help you plan your next getaway. Today, we are in the heart of beautiful Santa Barbara, California, checking into a property that has completely redefined luxury on the American Riviera, Hotel Californian. Located steps from the beach in the vibrant funk zone, this 121-room urban masterpiece spans 3 city blocks, blending 1920s Spanish Colonial architecture with stunning Moroccan interiors. In this video, we're going to tour the property, check out the rooms, hit the iconic rooftop, and give you our completely honest take on whether this should be your next coastal escape. After a 2-hour drive to get here, we arrived and had our car valet parked, which cost $60 a night. Because we arrived a bit early, our room wasn't quite ready yet. So we spent our hour waiting, relaxing outside in this beautiful courtyard, which gave us plenty of time to take in the design. Walking onto the property feels like stepping into a cinematic dream. Look closely at the public spaces and you'll notice custom geometric patterns, custom lighting, and over 1 million hand-painted tiles spanning 27 different patterns throughout the estate. The property actually rolls out across 3 distinct city blocks, comprised of 3 main buildings, the Californian, the Mason, and the State, which is where our rooms are located. We are on the 4th floor, and let's check out room 422. This is a Granada king bed. So let's see what we have. So on this side, as soon as you enter, on the right, we have the closet, where we have a couple of bathrobes. There's 2 umbrellas back there also, but no slippers, surprisingly. But there's a luggage rack right here. And on the other side of this closet, let's see what we have. So we have some hangers, a clothes steamer, a laundry bag, and a safe, and some more storage space below. Now let's check out the bathroom, where you have this full body mirror on a door. Let's open it up. Pretty spacious bathroom. And we have a single sink with this mirror. Let's see, the products they use here are Melon and Goetz. I've never heard of it, but I'm sure those are pretty pricey products. And below we have a hair dryer. There's a towel down there. And there's some more towels right here on this rack. There's your standard toilet and a shower. Let's open this up. There's a shower right there. And some more of those products. Now let's check out the bedroom. So here's a quick look. So we have a king size bed here. Let's see what it feels like. It feels very plush. And some controls for the lighting. A bunch of plugs for your devices. How do you open this up? Oh, let's see what's in here. Just some magazines to read. And there's also plugs on the other side of the bed. And over here we have the big screen TV, a working desk, and they gave us a couple bottles of water. And here's the info for the hotel. And this is the spa menu right here. So if you want to get any treatments, it's over there. And if you want to order any food, you can order it from this menu right here. And they did give us some welcome gifts here, some macarons and sparkling water. There's a drink mixer right here. That's pretty cool. And all these snacks are for purchase. So snacks and drinks for purchase. And here is the pricing for those items. And let's see what's down here below. So we have a fridge here with more stuff for purchase. So not much room to put your drinks if you brought your own. And on this side, this is the coffee and tea area. And below it, this is empty storage space. So there's a single lounging chair right here if you want to sit down and just chill. And here's the window, our view of the other buildings down here in Santa Barbara. And we do have a small patio here. Let's check it out. So we have a small table with 2 chairs and more views of the area down here. So it's a decent view. So this is a very nice room at Hotel Californian. Let us know what you think of this in the comment section below. Let's check out room 317. This is a Sevilla 2-queen room. So first, let's check out this closet on the left side. It has this unique sliding door pattern right here. So you have some hangers up here, a clothes steamer, laundry bag, and a safe. And here's something to clean your shoes, and some storage shelves below. There's a luggage rack right here also, but let's open up this other side real quick. So some more hangers, a couple of bathrobes, and there should be 2 umbrellas back there. There's the 2 umbrellas. And there's a couple slippers over here. Now let's check out this bathroom. So it has this full body mirror on this sliding door. Let's open it up. It's a spacious bathroom with a single sink. And they have some stuff in here. So some Q-tips and cotton swabs. And the products they use here are that Melon and Goettes. So those are just soap, and this is a body moisturizer. That's a unique packaging for it. There's a hairdryer below, and there's a towel, and there's more towels right here. Your standard toilet, and this shower has a bathtub. And there's the shower up there, and your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Now let's check out the room. So here's a quick look. So we have the 2 queen beds over here. And let's see if there's charging ports on the sides. This should have it right here. If it'll open up, yep, there's USB-A and your standard outlets. And on this side, I don't see any ports on this side, but there's the switches to control the lighting, and there are ports on the other side of the bed. So, and let's see how this bed feels. It's very plush on top and it gets harder on the bottom. And check out this big screen TV. Looks like a 65 or 70 inch, so that's pretty big. Office desk right here, and they provided us with a couple bottles of water, some more plugs for your devices. This is for the spa. Let's see what's inside these storage drawers. So there's a coffee and tea right there. This one is empty. The fridge is over here with a bunch of items for purchase. And more items for purchase up here on the top. So there's liquor, some snacks, and they gave us as a welcome gift, so some macarons and sparkling water. Here's the menu for the items for purchase. And here's some stuff to make your drinks. A small sitting area with a table. And let's check out our patio. So we have a couple chairs here and a small table. And a view of this courtyard. So this is a pretty spacious room, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Now let's take a look at the resort's dining scene. For a casual start to the morning, Goat Tree offers incredible all-day cafe dining, fresh house-made pastries, and a sun-drenched outdoor patio right on the Paseo. It's a great spot to grab an expertly crafted espresso or their iconic GT Smash Burger later in the afternoon. If you want to dive straight into Santa Barbara's famous wine culture without even leaving the property, just head over to the Society State in Mason. This is the hotel's brilliant on-site tasting room, showcasing over 70 world-class wines from the Foley family portfolio. For dinner, the hotel's cinematic coastal gastropub is the Knot Kitchen and Cocktails. The design here is visually striking, blending an intimate mid-century club atmosphere with modern edge. The kitchen completely elevates classic comfort food with incredible California land and sea dishes. The food here was good but a bit pricey. Expect to pay around $50 per entree. Finally, you can grab a late-night drink at the eccentric Dijon Library Bar. It pairs mesmerizing geometric tilework with some of the most creative craft cocktails on the property. Take a look at this spectacular roof deck they have at this resort, where you can watch views of the sunset. So there's plenty of seating out here. You can also just lay down and get a tan. And check out the views here. So there's the pool right there. And here's views of the beach out here in Santa Barbara. And I'm at the rooftop pool deck here at the hotel. So there's plenty of lounge seating here. It's a small heated pool. And you have spectacular views of Santa Barbara out here. And check out the ocean. And this is a great place to watch the sunset as well. Poolside service is provided by Tan, the hotel's Moroccan-inspired poolside dining spot, so a refreshing drink and snacks are never far away. Let's take a quick look at the fitness center here at the hotel. So it's a small room. Let's see what they have here. So they got some waters in this fridge, some mats. There's some exercise machines right here, a cable machine, a couple of benches and some dumbbells. And on this side, we have a couple of treadmills, 2 ellipticals, and an exercise bike. So small gym, but still has good equipment. And across from the gym is where they have the spa and salon. It's closed right now, but there's a salon on the left side, and the spa is straight ahead. So if you need any treatments, you can stop by here. If you're planning a wedding, private party, or an upscale corporate retreat, this property is basically a playground of stunning event venues. They have over 20,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor spaces that look straight out of a luxury design magazine. Now let's talk about the location, which is absolute gold for walkers. You are situated right at the intersection of State Street and the waterfront, just 1 block from West Beach and the historic Stearns Wharf Pier. You're also located in the heart of the Funk Zone, Santa Barbara's coolest creative hub. This trendy district is packed with boutique shops, amazing cafes, and the famous urban wine trail, featuring over 20 world-class tasting rooms and craft breweries. You can spend an entire afternoon tasting local wines, grabbing street food, and walking the pier without ever needing to drive or call an Uber. Room rates here start in the $500 range and can easily go above $1,000 a night during the peak summer season. It's definitely a pricey resort, but we had an absolutely wonderful stay here. The hotel is stunningly beautiful and well-maintained. The staff was incredibly welcoming, and having such great food and drink options on site made the entire experience effortless. We highly recommend Hotel Californian for anyone looking to pamper themselves and be right in the middle of all the action without ever needing to touch a car key. So, what do you guys think of this resort? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more hotel tours like this. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos from all over the world.